Life is either an incredible adventure or nothing at all.
Alright guys, check this out. So we're about to head out to 3 or 4 lakes. It's going to be super awesome. This week I decided to just take a trip and have a great time and just visit some lakes. We're going to go visit some friends too, and that's going to be super dope. The hope is that you guys do the same thing, you know, you guys go on your own adventures and build the life that you want. I mean, that's what I'm doing this. I'm doing this in hope to inspire you guys to go out there and do things that you love too, alright? So as we get closer, we'll definitely take a look at the lakes, and hopefully I'll be able to fly my drone at the same time too, alright? Okay guys, we'll see you guys later and we'll go from there. Alright, I think I'm all set here. Got the Cheetos, got the axe, gotta smell good. Got the water, got some good sandwich right here, tuna sandwich, and a monster. Let's have a good time on this trip, guys.
Life is either an incredible adventure or nothing at all.